Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I feel proud to speak about teachers. Teachers play a very important role in our lives. They guide us from childhood and help us understand the difference between right and wrong. A good teacher inspires students to dream big and work hard. Teachers not only teach a subject but also teach us discipline, honesty and good manners. They are always patient, kind and sportive even when we make mistakes. Because of their hard work and dedication, we are able to build a bright future.